Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make cabbage pakora, and to that I'm gonna add a little bit of potatoes, just a little bit. So that's why I'm just calling it cabbage pakora, not potato and cabbage pakora, fritters, cabbage fritters. So in this bowl, what I got here is a little bit of all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, lots of besan, which is gram flour, and here I have already chopped my cabbage very thinly, just like that. I got a little, it's like just a small onion, finely sliced, and the potatoes also cut into small pieces. And these are from my garden. They are not spicy at all. They just look scary, look spicy, but if you really like spicy, then take 2 of the spicy chili, and then I'm gonna cut this into small pieces when it's time to add to the pakora to mix. But and rather than that, we need some oil to deep fry the fritters, and also some chopped green onion that is in the freezer right now. So to begin, and we also need some water, so just mix all of this dry ingredient. I'm gonna add a little bit of water at a time and mix. And when you get this consistency, then you're gonna stop adding water. I have already chopped the chilies. I'm gonna add that. And then I'm gonna add the potatoes, onion, and the cabbage. Keep the water on the side just in case if you need it. And now we are just going to mix the rest. I know this got a little bit messier when you have to mix, but the proper way to mix this cabbage pakora is by hand. And now you can see how the mixture is looking. And now this has to sit for about 5 minutes. And in 5 minutes, you're gonna see how the cabbage has been softened, and it will be easy to grab when it's time to fry. Now I'm gonna add a lot of green onions. There's no measurement for it. Add about half cup, 3/4 cup, depend on you. Green onion in cabbage pakora tastes really well. The combination is very good. And now we're just gonna give this a final mix, and the oil is preheating. And the best way to make cabbage pakora, to go fry them, is with a spoon. It's better with a spoon, or you can use an ice cream scoop as well, but that will be a little bit too big. I just want to make it medium-sized pakoras. So this is what you're gonna do. Don't worry about the hanging cabbage. This is the beauty of it. As it is fried, you will see how it looks. And so that's all I'm going to do right now. Just grab the pakora with a spoon, and then just drop it in the oil, and don't move it right away. This is how the pakoras, the cabbage, gonna spill all over the oil. Now you can start flipping them over. Now they're not gonna break, but still be gentle, just like that. And you can see a light brown color, but this has to fry like golden brown. So just flip over and let it cook, and we're gonna flip it again until we have the golden brown pakoras. Pakora is ready. We're almost done. And the most excited part is to go try the pakora. For half of the cabbage that I have used, I got a lot of pakoras, and it is hot, it is crunchy, it is crispy, it is not overpowering of those chili peppers that I have added. It is not really spicy. It is so good. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I'm gonna go dig into it, and I will see you next time. Bye.